Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Look at how Home Affairs officials destroyed this country. This guy was arrested by police for being in the country illegally with other illegal immigrants. They called Home Affairs to come and take them. They took them. Only God knows where they dropped them. This guy is back again. Just like the one we saw, Mayor Nasiphi Moyo. She was complaining about a Zimbabwean guy she arrested 3 times. That each and every time we are arresting illegal immigrants, he is there. This is how Home Affairs destroy this country. They are selling documents illegally to these people, allowing them to stay in this country, giving them citizenship, giving them permits, work permits. They don't care about what is happening to their own country. They don't care about the sufferings of their fellow citizens. Was So
we won't be telling you again. You don't want to bring that back here again. Why did you come back? How did you come back? You were in the immigration.
Huh? You were arrested. How did you come back so quick?
You were arrested. What happened?
No, what? You said remove this one. No, you were arrested. What happened? How did you come up so quick?
No, you do know. You were arrested. You were in the immigration bag. How did you come out?
Please remove this. When we come back, we don't want to find them. Because if you come back and find them, we're going to take them. We're not going to ask anymore.
So these police are not arresting him again, or maybe it's because they know he will be released. What they are telling him is to pack his stuff and go. They don't want to find him there again. If we are taking law into our own hands, our government is blaming us, is telling us this is the job of the police. This is the job of Home Affairs. Are they doing their job? Police are here. They arrested this person before. It's their job again, even if they arrest him 10 times. It's their job to do that. They cannot just say, we don't want to come back and find you here again, to an illegal immigrant. Even if they arrest him and then Home Affairs will release him, it's their job to arrest him over and over again. Even if it's 100 times, they have to arrest him. These are the same officials Ramaphosa was talking about, was telling us they will do the job, not us. And we are expected to fold our hands and say, oh, the president has spoken. No, guys, we cannot allow this. They are busy telling us about white illegal immigrants. How do we know where a white illegal immigrant stays? Do we even know the crimes they are committing? We are not staying with them in our communities. We don't even know where they are staying. It's difficult for us to go to any suburb and look for illegal immigrants. We are speaking about people who are staying with us in our communities, who are committing crime in front of our eyes, selling poisonous food to our children, feeding our children with powder, doing all these things, hijacking buildings, overcrowding our hospitals and clinics. So why must we go and look for Japanese, to go and look for Mexicans? Bayasihlanyela la.
We've been asking nicely for you guys to remove your things. So, be back, guys. Just doing checkup on small.
So patriots are raiding this building. They know there is powder in this building. They know there is Home Affairs in this building. They've been telling police to go to this building to raid and arrest the criminals that are selling powder. There is a South African Home Affairs official who is running a Home Affairs in this building. They've been telling police to go and raid this building to arrest all those people. Powder sellers, this guy who is running Home Affairs, and other criminals who are staying in this building. But police, I don't know if I would say they were scared or it's because of the brown envelopes that they are collecting from there. Until now, imagine much ibakona to give our citizens power to do things by themselves. That is why we are seeing all this. That is why ubona lesi siphithiphithi esenzekayo kule building and uzobona bazophuma naye. On the other video I posted a few hours ago before this one, you saw they came out with Nigerians, powder sellers. They came out with a lot of criminals in there. So now they came back for this South African Home Affairs official because he was not around at that time. They decided to lay low and wait for him to come back from work so that they will catch him red-handed inside his flat where the Home Affairs is. And that is what happened.
When it's caught, you must arrest. You must get arrested. You must be arrested. We don't have a time for you here. You think we are shit here, yes, sir. You talk about church. You're taking a church. When I'm clean, when I'm clean, anyway. When I'm clean, when I'm church. When spend our 2 hours. Yes, sir. We are cool.
So this is a guy, a Home Affairs official who is destroying South Africa. A father. This person is not even a young man. He is a father already, but he doesn't care about the future of his own children. He doesn't care about the future of the youth of his own country who are not employed because of illegal foreigner. He is selling work permits. He is selling all these other documents for these illegal foreigners to be in the country. He doesn't care about the children that are being unalived by the same people he is selling these documents to. He doesn't care about the powder that these people are selling to the youth of this country. He doesn't care about the brothels that are mushrooming all over the country because of these people he is giving documents. And we are expected to keep quiet and say Home Affairs officials will do the job. Which Home Affairs officials? Which police will do the job? The same police who are taking bribes, the same Home Affairs officials who are doing all these things. These are the people our president is telling us about. Uguti, leave these things for our officials, government officials, these ones. Guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.